Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how anyone can create 3D animation videos using AI in no time, even if you have no knowledge of animation. Yes, you heard it right, with the help of AI. You can easily make 3D animation videos in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll introduce you to an amazing AI tool that can transform any video into a 3D animation and even create your own 3D animation character. So let's get started. To create 3D animation videos, first, go to the Deepmotion website and sign up. You'll find the link to the website in the description below. Open the website and click on the Get Started button to sign up. Here's how you can sign up on Deepmotion. Click Get Started, fill in your details, and verify your email. Once logged in, click on Animated 3D and then 3D Model. You have two options here: Stylized Avatar and Realistic Avatar. If you want to create an avatar that looks like you, click on Realistic Avatar. Or upload images of your face from the front, left and right sides. And this tool will create a 3D avatar that looks just like you. You can also customize your avatar, but for now we'll go with the stylized avatar.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Now, let's create your 3D animation video. Go back to the home page and click on the Create button to upload your video. Once uploaded, click on the pencil icon next to 3D Model, select the avatar you created in the previous step. And enable MP4 output, turn off the Include Original Video and enable MP4 audio options. Select Solid as the custom background and choose green as the color. Click Create, and in a few moments, your animation video will be ready. Once your video is downloaded, open Canva on your mobile or computer and create a new video file. Search for animated backgrounds in the Elements tab and select one you like. Set it as the background and download the video. Now, open any video editing app. Import both the Canva video and your green screen animation video and place them on the timeline. Use the chroma key option to remove the green background from your animation video and adjust it properly. Save your combined video. Here's how you import the videos. And that's it, friends. Your 3D animation video is ready. You can use this tool to create any type of 3D animation video and monetize them on your YouTube channel. I hope you found the Deepmotion AI animation tool helpful and enjoyed the video. If you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.